We're swapping out the tweeters in my work truck today. As you know, we probably, or if you've been following me for a while, we did the D4S T25s in here, and I believe we started out with the D4S Arnold series, maybe, I can't remember. But anyway, as you know, D4S makes these tweeters and the speakers for me in collaboration. Anytime you find a company that's been doing something for 10 or 15 years already, it just makes sense to collaborate with them. And your very first set of tweeters or speakers, you get 10 or 15 years of research and development in your very first set of speakers. So you don't have to go through all the trials and tribulations of doing it yourself and finding out the hard way on things that they already have. A big thing on the internet is JP doesn't know how to do any installs. He doesn't do any installations. He doesn't know anything about car audio. So today I'm doing installs. I've already swapped these out to the Down for Sound tweeters. So I'm just gonna be finishing that up. So all the haters out there can see for themselves that we do actually do some work here, and that I at least know how to install some tweeters. Somebody's laughing already. There's nothing that gets the haters' blood boiling more than me doing a little bit of installation. But anyway, all done there. Looking beautiful as ever. See if it sounds just as good. I don't know what you call it, like a live, like when you're driving the camera that records stuff, and whenever you get into an accident, it sets off the sensor on the camera, so it's sure to record like 2 minutes prior to whatever shook it, and then 2 minutes after, so it knows, like it makes sure it's recording the if it was an accident. Anyway, when I play my doors, they're so loud, it sets off the sensor on the camera and it makes it start recording. So it's recording right now just because it thought it was an accident from the doors being so loud. So pretty crazy. I guess they're decently loud. All right, we can't keep it up for too long because the neighbors will get super pissed off. They'll come over here and start chastising us. So anyway, we got this little demo session in. The speakers are doing good, sounding great. If you need any of these, you know where to find them. Check them out in the description below, or you can just head over to downforsoundshop.com, your #1 source for all of your car audio needs. Hey, what's up guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. That's JP D4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.